If the iPhone charging port is not working, or if it has loose connection, then let us see how to fix the issue. The first thing is you have to physically check the lighting cable. Check if the lighting cable is damaged or not. The next thing that you will do is you will simply restart your phone. Sometimes restarting the phone fixes many of the minor issue. Now the third thing that you will do is, if you see here, this is the charging port. What you will do is you will take a small needle or a toothpick and just put it inside this charging port and gently move inside and check if there is any dirt or if there is any lint that is accumulated inside this charging port. So if it is there, gently reuse the toothpick or needle in order to remove all the lint which is present inside this charging port, and after that check if the charging port works or not, or if the cable will properly fit inside this charging port or not. Hopefully this should fix the issue. If the issue is not resolved, then what you have to do is, maybe the charging port here is damaged. In that case, you have to take your iPhone to a technician and then repair it.